ganito kasi in terms, normally hindi ito kine-question ng common taxpayer purpose or ng classification.
Pag-tax sa kanya.
Lagot o Lusot?
Lagot talaga.
Welcome to Lagot o Lusot, where we dig deep into anonymous yet real tax, business, and finance confessions from Reddit. Decide, did they smoothly get away with it, or are they in big trouble? And uncover what went wrong, what went right, how can it be fixed, whether they're Lagot or Lusot, how serious or lucky they really are.
Bakit tatlo pa kung pwede isa? Help! I saw na may 3 forms na pwedeng i-file for annual income tax return. Alin dito yung kailangan kong gamitin to file my annual income tax return this year? 1701 ba? 1701A? 1700? Ano ba difference nila? Okay. What went wrong? Well, bakit tatlo pa? Kasi different naman sila. Hindi naman sila same. At saka hindi naman, kung magpa-file ka ng 1700, hindi mo ipa-file yung 1701, 1701A. Siyempre, magkakaiba. Depende sa classification kung saan ka doon. Like for 1700, it pertains to individual earning purely compensation income. Yung 1701 is for individuals earning purely, those who are engaged in business or practice of profession, including mixed income. Pero pag 1701A naman, yun nung nag-avail ng OSD or Optional Standard Deduction as a mode of deduction, or those who availed of 8% income tax rate.
This includes individuals with mixed income or estate and trust.
So, yun pong pagkakaiba ng 1701 at 1701A. Yung may A, yun po ang may OSD or may 8% flat rate.
Basically, magkakaiba sila ng purpose or ng classification ng taxpayer. For easy reference, you can check our website, www.bir.gov.ph, for the list of tax returns and classifications.
What went right is the fact na gusto niyang malaman kung ano yung form na gagamitan niya.
How can it be fixed?
Well, wala eh. Walang kailangan i-fix kasi very clear yung batas and very clear yung mga forms. May title nga sa form para hindi po sila malito. So, kung engage in business ka or practice of profession, basically, pagpipilian mo lang 1701 or 1701A. Depende kung anong i-avail mo na deduction or kung mag-graduated tax rates ka ba or 8% income tax rate. Pero yung mga 8% income, syempre, hahaba na to. Pero may mga, qualifications na dapat not exceeding 3 million, etc.
We just have to check una, anong klaseng taxpayer ka? Individual ka ba? Corporation? Kung individual man, mixed income earner ka ba? Or purely compensation income? Doon natin makakategorize kung ano ba talaga yung form na specific na para sa'yo.
What do you think? Lagot or Lusot?
Lusot. Kasi wala naman siyang kasalanan, nagtatanong lang naman siya kung anong form yung gagamitin niya. Wala naman siyang any intention to, evade or ano.
I concur, Lusot siya. So,
Yeah.
in this case, wala pa naman siyang
Yeah, like purely tanong lang naman kung anong gagamitin.
problem.
Ba't di natin kinakwestyon yung double at triple taxation? Since employee lang ako and now lang nagka-micro-business, ngayon ko lang talaga na-experience mag-file ng taxes. Grabe pala yung sistema ng taxation sa Pilipinas. Ang bigat, lalo na for micro-entrepreneurs. Tama ba ang intindi ko na parang triple tax yung sales natin? Same gross amount is being taxed na nga by the national government through BIR's 2551Q, tapos taxed pa ulit by the local government just for business permit renewal. Tapos on top of that, may income tax pa based on the same sales minus expenses. Why does this seem so normal lang sa atin? Isn't this super unfair? What went wrong? What went wrong siguro is yung na-misunderstood niya yung purpose ng pag-tax sa kanya. Actually, when you speak about double taxation, it's not actually prohibited by the Constitution, but it is not something favored. Wala naman, unless there is an express or implied prohibition ng Constitution, wala pong nagbabawal sa double taxation. However, in this case, yung sinasabi niyang double at triple taxation, yung direct double taxation po natin, hindi po siya applicable dito eh. Kasi una-una, she is not being taxed by the same taxing authorities. Different taxing authorities po yung nag-tax sa kanya. Business permit, local government. Yung income tax na yun, national government.
Yun nga, in this case, based on sa example niya, there seems to be an indirect double taxation. So, merong tax for 2551Q, so that's the percentage tax. Meron ding tax for income taxes. Although, yung taxing authority ay same ay si BIR, but they are different tax types. Iba yung tax na percentage tax, which is business tax. Iba rin yung income tax. Now, with local government business permit fees, ang purpose kasi nito is more on regulation, which is an exercise of police power of the state, not for taxation purposes. Although may revenue pa rin na nakukuha dahil doon sa fees.
So, yun po yung
What went right naman?
what went right? What went right, siguro yung intention niya na, mag-comply ng mga tax obligations niya, pero hindi lang niya talaga mapigilan questioning kung bakit ang dami. So yun nga, baka hindi lang niya naintindihan talaga yung nature ng bawat tax na yun. Kasi like what Attorney Raf said, na yung tax yung kinokollect na business permit fee ng local government, it's actually a police power. Exercise of police power for business regulation. Ang taxes naman na kinokollect ng national government is to augment the revenue of the government to defray its necessary expenses. So, hindi po siya police power.
At least, naging curious sila. Yung mga ganito kasi in terms, normally, hindi to kine-question ng common taxpayer, double and triple taxation. But at least, naging aware yung public, ano ba nga ba itong double and triple taxation? But in the end, our constitution does not prohibit double taxation, although it is not favored, no? And there are
Constitutional
principles like equal protection clause, uniformity of taxation, due process na we still have to comply.
Medyo dinidiscourage yung double taxation.
Yes.
But it's really not prohibited.
Yes. How can it be fixed?
Tax education.
Yes, tax education. Also, we have tax mechanisms like yung tax treaties na nakikipag-ugnayan yung state parties like Philippines, Japan, US for the tax treaties para ma-minimize yung effects ng double taxation. So, yung aim niya is what was taxed in other tax jurisdiction should not be taxed within the other tax jurisdiction. So, yun. For me, Lusot.
Pwedeng ako sakit na. Kasi parang gusto niyang mag-comply pero at the same time parang ayaw niya eh. Kasi para sa kanya is masyadong mabigat yung tatlong binabayaran niya, yung 2551Q, income tax at may business permit renewal pa. So, kaya ako sa gitna kasi baka mamaya hindi na niya bayaran. So, hindi ako
Pero, yun nga, it's normal, pero is it fair or unfair? We'll leave it to you guys.
After all obligation naman talaga natin magbayad ng
Coming
Magastos
up
pero
next on
nakatipid
Lagot
pa
with
sa
Lusot.
mahirap yun. Kasi lalo if the
Grabe
personal
ka
expenses
magtrabaho,
sobrang
tapos
laki
ganyan
yung
pa kalaki tax
over-declaration
rate.
nyo.
Lagot na lagot.